Hi everyone! My name is Vino. And I have my daughter here.
My name is Bea.
And today we are going to teach you how to cook Tinolang Manok with
Mulberry Leaves.
Yay! So most probably you are going to ask us, bakit mulberry leaves instead of malunggay, dahon ng malunggay, or dahon ng sili? Unang-una, I was just able to find out na yung mulberry itself ay napaka-nutritious at napakaganda sa katawan. May panglaban sa cancer, sa sakit sa puso, sa diabetic, at kung ano-ano pa. Actually, i-google nyo lang. Tapos marami kayong ma-check dyan kung ano-ano pa yung magagandang use ng mulberry. And besides that, Bea here, favorite niya yung fruit ng mulberry sa mulberries, right?
Daddy, on the side.
Yeah. So we're gonna get some mulberries here.
Yeah.
Let's get the biggest one.
Here. Oh, cherry. Cherry.
Here's the biggest.
Daddy?
Are you gonna eat this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, yummy. Is it yummy?
Daddy, what the
Some more mulberry. Yummy mulberries.
Yummy.
Up here. Ooh, very good. Let's check the mulberries again.
Yay!
Oh, where's the mulberries here?
Here. It's up there.
Kasi may tanim ako dyan sa labas, so readily available siya. So tell them, you like the mulberry fruit, right?
Yes, I love the mulberry fruit, and my next one is a secret fruit.
Which is?
Banana.
Banana! So, you tell them what kind of mulberry fruit we need to pick. Is it the red one or the black one?
The black one.
Why?
Because it's yummy and sour.
And if you're going to pick the red mulberry fruit, what does it taste like?
Spiky.
Not really spiky. It's sour, remember? So yun, yun nga, unang-una, napakaganda sa katawan. Pangalawa, readily available siya kasi nga may tanim ako dyan. And then third, ayun, wala naman siyang lasa, so okay lang sa mga bata, nagustuhan ng mga bata. So now, tuturuan na namin kayo kung paano magluto ng tinolang manok with mulberry leaves. Ang pinaka-una na ingredient, yung mulberry leaves. Kasi yun naman yung pinaka-highlight ng ano natin.
Mulberry leaves.
Exactly. Yung sunod ay... What's that?
That you lay eggs.
No, what's...
It sounds like a chicken.
It is. So that's the second ingredient. Yung chicken.
We need eggs to make it.
Third ay yung papaya. Fourth ay yung ginger. Fifth ay yung garlic. Next, yung water. Tapos, syempre, dapat may oil, onion, salt, pepper, para makapang-taste. At yung fish sauce, yung patis.
Fish sauce.
Ngayon naman, sa pagluluto, ang need natin ay kaldero na may mantika, syempre. Ilagay yung garlic. Tapos ilagay yung onion. Tapos ginger. Isang kutsa yung chicken. Kapag medyo brown na yung chicken sa loob ng 10 to 15 minutes, lagyan ng salt, ng fish sauce, isama na rin yung papaya. Tapos, ibuhos yung tubig. Pakuluan ng 15 to 20 minutes more. Luto na ang chicken at ang papaya, pwede nyo nang ilagay ang mulberry leaves, takpan ng kaserola, at patayin ang apoy. Ating tinola with mulberry leaves. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Nagustuhan nyo man yung aming video, please like, share, subscribe, or comment kayo below kung meron kayong mga tanong. Am I correct?
Hi.